Once in a classroom, the kids were quietly waiting for their teacher. Suddenly, a cute little monkey jumped in through the window. All the kids screamed, "Monkey! Monkey!" But the monkey was mischievous and smart. He sat on the teacher's chair, put on glasses, and said, "Kids, don't worry. I am hand wash expert monkey." The kids were surprised but started listening. Monkey said, "If you don't wash your hands before eating, germs party in your tummy." Then he took out soap and taught everyone how to wash their hands, through song and dance. When the teacher arrived, she found the entire class doing a hand wash dance, with sparkling clean hands. Monkey smiled from the window and said, "Clean hands, healthy life," and danced his way out. Moral: washing hands before eating is essential. Clean hands, strong life. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and share.